I hope you all are doing well. You all are happy as well, in your houses, in your homes, during these online classes as well. So today we are going to start with this. As we have started with the tenses, and in the previous class we have discussed them in the very detail. Ji Kiran, do you want to say something before we start? Ji Kiran.
मैम आपने कहा था कि ना जनरल फैक्ट के साथ प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस से यूज होते हैं जैसे गॉड इज वन, लेकिन ये तो फिर मैम प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस के नहीं आए थे मैम।
ये आपको कॉन्टिन्यूस क्यों लग रहा है?
मैम उसकी हेल्पिंग वर्ब है ना, is among.
God is one. Yes, God is one, and this is something about the present tense. But continuous tense is completely different from this present simple. Continuous tense also includes is, am, are, but that is something that is in a continuous state. I am teaching. You are learning. This is what. This is what. This is continuous. Continuous is something that is happening at that moment. But when you will talk about the fact, yes, is, am, are, these are, you are going to use these verbs within your sentences. But in the simple sentence, you will also use them, and in the continuous, you will also use them. So what's the confusion?
मैम वही समझ नहीं आ रही कि ना प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस में तो डू एंड डज होते हैं हेल्पिंग वर्ब, तो फिर इज एम आर के
इज एम आर भी होते हैं. लिसन टू मी. हमने प्रेजेंट सिंपल में डिस्कस किया था. प्रेजेंट सिंपल में हमने डिस्कस किया था कि हम उसमें फैक्ट्स होते हैं. अब फैक्ट्स क्या है? फैक्ट्स वो होते हैं जो जनरल ट्रुथ्स होते हैं. As you told me that God is one, this is a fact and this is a reality. God is one. Do you think that you can add within this do and does? Okay. When you will talk about the regular habits, I am a student. ठीक है? This is what? This is a regular habit. But when you will say, okay, let me know any sentence in which you will add do. I do not agree. For example, this statement is I do not agree. This is what? This is a simple sentence in the negative form. Do and does. किरण, let me know आप do and does कब यूज करते हैं?
मैम नेगेटिव और इंटरोगेटिव में जब हम यूज करते हैं डू और डज, वैसे पॉजिटिव में ये यूज नहीं होते.
But if you will say I do agree, this is also correct one. This is not in the negative form. I do agree. Or you will say I agree. I do agree. Both are the statements are correct. I do agree. Do and does is something. Listen to me. Listen to me. Do and does is something that you will perform. I am a student. I am learning. These are something different. But where the do is required, you will add do. Where does is required, you will use does. But where is, am, are, do you think that is, am, are wrong in this present simple tense? Kiran?
मैं वो हेल्पिंग वर्ब का कंफ्यूजन हो रही थी कि वो तो प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस के है ना.
मेरा बच्चा हम दोनों यूज कर सकते हैं. हम दोनों कंडीशन में within the language we can use both. This is a matter of common sense. ठीक है? And this is very easy thing to understand कि आप do and does, where do is required you will use do, where does is required, where is, am, are required you will use is, am, are, and where they are not required. I wake up. Here you don't have I wake up at 6 o'clock. Here you don't have are, you don't have am. I wake up. Simple. आपके पास do and does भी नहीं है. But where these are required, you will use them. But where they are required, okay. Moving forward, we have discussed these present tense as well as the introduction of the tense in the very detail. And I think there is no need to revise them. But I want all of you to keep within your mind. Okay, let me ask first of all. Let me ask. Hafiza Muzammil,
Yes, ma'am.
What is meant by tense?
Ma'am, tense. Ma'am, tense. It is a verb. It is a verb and it indicates time. It is a verb.
Okay. Abdul Wahid. Abdul Wahid or Abdul Wahid?
अब्दुल वाहिद.
अब्दुल वाहिद. अब्दुल वाहिद. ठीक हो गया. बताओ बच्चे.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी. What is meant by tense? Hurry up. Tense नहीं होना. आंसर देनी. जी बोलो.
लास्ट क्लास अटेंड नहीं की थी. मैं ISSB देने गया हुआ था. मेरी आज फर्स्ट क्लास है.
अच्छा, आपकी फर्स्ट क्लास है. आपने घर आके सोचा भी नहीं कि मैं अपने क्लास फेलो से पूछ लूं कि क्या पढ़ा था और क्या नहीं पढ़ा था?
मैम मैं कल ही आया हूँ. अभी पूछना था फ्रेंड से.
अच्छा, अभी पूछना था. ठीक. अब सुन लो जो क्लास के अंदर रिवाइज हो रहा है. जी जवेरिया. मैं पूछूंगी अब्दुल वाहिद. मैं आऊंगी आपके पास.
यस मैम.
जी जवेरिया.
Tenses are basically action that tell about the time, whether it is about present, past, future.
Okay, so this is a very basic introduction of a tense. That tense is something, the action, or you can say the verb, with which you will attach a time, with which you will attach any time frame. Time doesn't mean in the form of clock, but time means to say, you will tell whether this statement is a past, you are talking about the present, or you are going to talk about the future. ठीक है? So this is a very basic introduction of tense, and further we have also discussed regarding the present tense, and present tense is very simple. That tells you about something in the present state. That tells you about something. For example, this time we are doing what? We are learning. ठीक है? So this is a present condition. आप जो 1 घंटा पहले 2 घंटे पहले जो टाइम गुजार चुके हैं, that was the past. ठीक है? That is the past. Basically, that is the past. You were doing something 1 or 2 hours before, and आपका जो शाम का टाइम होगा 4, 5, 6 जो अभी नहीं आया, that is the future. It's very simple to understand. So we have also discussed regarding the present simple as well as the continuous, perfect and the perfect continuous. Amir Hamza.
Ma'am. जी मैम.
What is meant by present simple?
Present simple ma'am. What is happening just now? Present action, also called indefinite tense.
Okay. Any example?
Any example ma'am? She take coffee in the morning.
She take coffee in the morning. So do you think that this is something the present? Okay. Tell me again the definition of present simple.
Present simple. What is happening just now? Present action.
What is happening just now? बस यहाँ तक definition complete है?
I think complete है मैम.
हमजा क्लास ली थी last time?
जी मैम ली थी.
अच्छा. बतिया शाहिद. सुनो अब हमजा.
Ma'am, it tells us what happened today and what is actually happening. That is present tense.
वक्तावर. Present simple.
मैम present simple ये बताता है कि regular action, habitual action, मैम daily action जो daily basis पे हम करते हैं.
So this is present simple. Present simple, or you can say the present indefinite, basically refers to an action, your regular actions, habitual actions, your facts, your thoughts. These are something that you will describe.
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
किसी को भी नहीं आ रही?
आ रही है मैम. मैम आ रही है.
आ रही है.
आज तो मैं पूरा अपना बंदोबस्त करके बैठी हुई हूँ. अच्छा. So so present simple is something that tells you about the regular habits, your thoughts, your facts, general truth. These are something that we will say talk about the present simple and present continuous. Amir Hamza, present continuous is something which tells you about the continuous condition, what is happening at the moment. Basically, this is the definition of present continuous. This was not about present simple. Continuous is something that tells you what is happening right now. For example, I'm switching on the TV, and or you can say I'm switching off the TV. I'm looking into the mirror. I am sitting, and I am teaching you. These all things are what basically I am doing at this moment. So then here in this state, you will use the present continuous and present perfect tense. Then we have present perfect tense. Mohammed Shoaib.
मैम जो रिसेंटली वर्क कंप्लीट होता है यानी जस्ट नाउ एंड हुआ वो वर्क जो यानी जो अभी अभी
Very good. So
कंप्लीट हो चुका हो.
present perfect is something that tells you about the recent completed action, recently completed action. For example, I have started my class on Zoom. I have started. अब ये वो action है जो कि recently मैंने start किया था and this time this is in a continuous state. But 2 बजे मैंने उस रीस्टार्ट क्लास को स्टार्ट किया था. I have started my class on Zoom at 2. ठीक है
मैम, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
मैम आ रही है. मैम आ रही है.
अली हसन, अपना भी कभी चेक कर लो थोड़ा सा, वो मुझे बीच में इंटरप्ट ना किया करो. सो आपका जो प्रेजेंट फॉर एग्जांपल आई हैव स्टार्टेड माय क्लास ऑन Zoom at 2, ये रिसेंट एक्शन था व्हिच आई हैव स्टार्टेड. ठीक है. सो दिस इज व्हाट आपका जो रिसेंट एक्शन जो कि कंप्लीटेड एक्शन होगा. ठीक है. कंप्लीटेड एक्शन, recent completed action. In that case, you will use a present perfect, and then we have present perfect continuous tense. Razia Bibi.
जी मैम. मैम in this work which is do in past but also done in present, मतलब continue present में भी हो.
Very good. Past present perfect continuous is something that you have started in the past, but this is still continued. For example, in the current state, I have been teaching, or you can say I have been taking classes since morning. ठीक है. Means to say मैं सुबह से classes ले रही हूँ. I have been taking classes since morning. So in that case, present perfect continuous that was started in the past and that is still continued in the current situation, and this is still continued. So continued means to say here you will add ing. So this was something about all these present simple, or you can say indefinite, present continuous, also called present progressive, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Further, I have deliberately not asked you regarding those basic structure of the tenses deliberately, because as we are going to start with the past tense today. So while discussing that past tense and while discussing the structure of that past tense, I want all of you to remember that basic structure of which we have used in the past tense. Kiran, please do remember regarding that verbs, ठीक है, is, am, are, and do and does. Please do remember, all of you, those verbs regarding which you are going to discuss today. So as we are going to start with the past tense, so before discussing it, I want to ask a question that is very somehow interesting question to all of you. That do you want to go into the past in a time machine?
Yes ma'am.
Oh, anybody else except
No, ma'am.
you don't want to go?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so there is a mixed answer, like somebody wants to go back into the past, somebody don't want to go, and somehow कुछ cases में हम नॉस्टैल्जिक हो जाते हैं. नॉस्टैल्जिक होता है कि आप पास्ट के बारे में सोच रहे हो, कोई ऐसा मोमेंट आपके पास्ट में गुजरा हो जो कि कुछ गुड हैपनिंग्स थी, हैप्पी हैपनिंग्स थी आपकी, जो कि पास्ट में हुई हो, तो हम सोचते हैं और हम चाहते हैं कि हम दोबारा उस वक्त में जाएं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप लोगों की ऑनलाइन क्लासेस हो रही हैं.
जी मैम.
आप लोग जी मैम. और you really want to be in the classroom. आप उस क्लासरूम एनवायरनमेंट को आई नो आप मिस करते होंगे. क्लासरूम एनवायरनमेंट हो.
जी मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
हम रोज तैयार होके यूनिवर्सिटी आए, है ना. उठे, तैयार हो.
जी मैम.
लड़कियों की तो खैर तैयारी और होती है, ठीक है. और तैयार होके हम यूनिवर्सिटी आए, फ्रेंड्स हो, और फ्रेंड्स के साथ हम इंजॉय भी करें, हम क्लासरूम अपनी क्लासेस भी अटेंड करें, हम कैंटीन पे भी जाएं, हम यूनिवर्सिटी का राउंड भी लगाने निकल जाएं. तो बहुत बहुत डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज होती हैं जो कि आप लोग जैसे स्कूल लाइफ में भी करते रहे होंगे. स्कूल लाइफ थोड़ी स्ट्रिक्ट ज्यादा होती है कंपैरेटिवली टू द यूनिवर्सिटी. स्ट्रिक्ट लाइफ इज मींस टू से कि उसमें आपकी सिर्फ थोड़ी सी ब्रेक होती है. यूनिवर्सिटी लाइफ में ये होता है कि आपकी फॉर एग्जांपल क्लासेस 12 बजे शुरू होती हैं तो बच्चे 11 बजे भी आ जाते हैं, कुछ 10 बजे भी आ जाते हैं, ग्रुप स्टडी कर रहे होते हैं, कुछ वैसे एंजॉयमेंट कर रहे होते हैं. सो एक उसका अपना एक मजा है जो आप एक यूनिवर्सिटी लाइफ अटेंड करते हैं. सो पास्ट इज समथिंग दैट हैज ऑलरेडी गॉन एंड यू कैन नॉट गो बैक इनटू द पास्ट. ठीक है, ना कि टाइम मशीन ऐसी कोई इजाद हुई है, ना कोई ऐसा हो सकता है जिसमें आप पास्ट में जाएं. But today we are diving into the past while discussing this past tense. ठीक है. सो पास्ट टेंस को तो हम डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. जब हम पास्ट टेंस को डिस्कस करेंगे, सो पास्ट टेंस इज समथिंग दैट हेल्प्स यू टू टॉक अबाउट योर पास्ट. You cannot go back into the past, but this tense helps you to talk about the past by using the English language. If you want to talk to somebody in the English language, in a proper English language, so then it will be helpful for you to talk in a proper way by using this past tense when you will talk about the past. Okay? And I hope you can use the present tense as well. It's present tense is something that is quite easy one comparatively to the past and the future. So today we are diving into the past, and as you know about the tense that tells you about the action and आप time frame attach कर देते हैं. And past is something that is already gone. ठीक है. So when we will talk about this basic definition of past, when you will talk about the basic definition that is used to indicate an action or event or any condition that has happened or occurred in the past. Any action, any event or any condition you want to discuss. For example, you want to discuss about your school life. Okay? The school life was very enjoyable and मैं ये करता था, मैं ये करती थी. ठीक है. I was a good student in my class. My teacher was this one. I did not behave like that. Whatever you want to talk about your past, so you can use this tense. For example, I watched a movie yesterday. ठीक है. I traveled to Lahore last weekend. ठीक है. So this is something you are going to talk about your past. ठीक है. अच्छा, मैंने ये जो स्टेटमेंट बोली है आई वॉच्ड अ मूवी यस्टरडे, इसमें यस्टरडे क्या है? व्हाट इज मेंट बाय दिस स्टेटमेंट? पास्ट. कौन सा पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच है? कौन सा पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच है?
Ma'am, adverb of time.
Very good. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. चलो, ठीक है. So I watched a movie yesterday. So yesterday is something about the adverb of time. So as you know that these tenses are further divided into 4 forms, and these forms basically helps you or gives you a further clarification, because while discussing or while using the language there are many things to discuss, and there are many different within the past tense. There are many time frames as in the present tense. There are many time frames as in the simple form, continuous form, perfect form, and the perfect continuous form. So this was the very general form of the introduction regarding the past tense. So let us discuss these forms in detail. I can say specifically. So the first one is past simple. मैंने आपको पहले भी बोला है, please do remember all the forms which you can use in the simple continuous perfect and perfect continuous which we have used in the present tense, because we are going to convert those present into a past. ठीक है, टेंस का मतलब यही होता है कि वो फॉर्मुलेट करता है आपके टाइम पीरियड को. ठीक है, तो फॉर्मुलेशन इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. So previously we have discussed about the present and we are going to formulate that present into past. ठीक है, so past simple, past simple. So simple, what is meant by the simple sentence? Aksa, Yasmin. Aksa,
Yes, ma'am.
simple sentence क्या होता है?
That suggests the action or a reaction.
समझ नहीं आई, दोबारा बोलो.
Simple sentence is a sentence that suggests action or a situation.
For example,
I live in Sargodha.
I live. मैं sentences की जो हमने types discuss की थी ना, उसमें simple sentence की बात कर रही. फाइका मुबशिर.
Ma'am, a simple sentence contain only one clause, that is main or independent clause. A main clause has both subject and verb, and therefore it gives us a complete meaning. Examples may I bought a chair, he ate mango, like this.
But I have also stated that a very very basic structure, very very simple one is very simple sentence. Yeah, you are right that one clause is included, one independent clause is included. The very basic one is that includes the subject as well as that also includes the verb. The verb must be that verb that doesn't need an object. So what is that verb that doesn't need an object? Ayman Naz. What is that verb that doesn't need an object?
Ma'am,
क्या कहते हैं उसको?
ma'am, intransitive.
Intransitive, that doesn't need an object. So when a verb doesn't need an object, so means to say that has its own complete meaning. That is a very simple and a very basic form. So I can say the simple form of any tense is the easiest form of the tense. And it is also very very easy to describe them, and it is also very very easy to identify them as well. So simple past tense is used to describe or explain something that happened or existed in the past. This happened and existed both are very very important words within this definition. I'm repeating again. Past simple tense is used to describe, or you can say explain, something that happened or existed in the past. So this is what that tells you about the past simple tense. Whatever has happened or existed in the past, this is your past simple tense. Further, in order to formulate this past simple tense, you will convert your verb, the base form of the verb, into regular verb, or in most of the cases you can convert your base form of the verb into irregular verbs. Okay, so in this way you will tell your tense that this tense is in the past form. When you will convert your verb, the base form of verb, into regular and in most cases irregular verb. So means to say, in the past simple tense, when you will describe something that has already happened in the past or existed in the past, so you will use the second form of verb. ठीक है, loft. ठीक है, in the I loft is word. You have added ed in the base form of the word, and by adding ed, this has become the regular verb. And you can also add irregular. I wrote a letter. So wrote is something, wrote is the second form of verbs. So in the past simple tense, you will use your second form of verb. But in most of the cases, there are some verbs that remains the same in the second as well as the third form. Can you identify such words? Ariba Akhtar? Put. Anji, Noman. Iza, sure. Cut. So there are many words that you can that I can say that remains the same in the second as well as the third form. Okay, so in this way, further when I will talk, so within this, as this is a very simple form, ठीक है, जिसमें basic first step ये है कि आपका जो verb होगा वो convert हो जाएगा आपके second form में, ठीक है, या फिर आपका regular verb बन जाएगा. फर्दर आपका ये जो पास्ट सिंपल टेंस होता है इसमें आप was and were भी यूज करते हैं, ठीक है. I was ill, ठीक है, she was ill. So who is going to tell me कि हम was कब यूज करते हैं? मोहम्मद अवैस.
मैम वाज सिंगुलर पर्सन वगैरह के साथ यूज करते हैं, ऐसे ही शी इट वगैरह के साथ.
Exactly. So I, he, she, it, you will use was, and they, we, and also with the you के साथ भी आप were यूज करते हैं. I, he, she, it के साथ आप was यूज करेंगे, ठीक है. So और plural के साथ yes आप were यूज करते हैं. So was and
मैम ये पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस नहीं यूज होते हैं.
उसमें भी होते हैं. जैसे listen to me, जैसे आपने प्रेजेंट सिंपल में भी आपके is am are यूज होते हैं, इन द सेम वे आपके और प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस में भी होते हैं, इन द सेम वे आपके पास्ट सिंपल में भी यूज होगा और आपके पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस में भी यूज होगा, ठीक है. I was ill.
Okay,
so do you think that this I was ill is in a continuous state?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
This is something that happened in the past, ठीक है. That tells you about the past happening. So you can use was, were and were in your past simple. Further हम is, am, are को जब हम convert कर देंगे past में तो आप उसमें was and were use करेंगे. You are not going to use is, am, are in the past. That will be completely wrong question और गुनाह है वो is, am, are use करना past में. Further within past simple we can also use present. In the present simple we can also use do and does with is, am, are where it is required. But when you will convert that, how you can convert that do and does in the negative? Negative carry past में. How you can convert that do and does in the past? Isa?
Ma'am, we use did.
Exactly, very good. We can use did in the past, ठीक है. हमने वो is, am, are को was and were में convert कर दिया, ठीक है. Was आप singular के साथ and were आप अपने प्लूरल के साथ या यू के साथ ही आप यूज करते हैं, ठीक है. एंड फर्दर आप डिड डू एंड डस को आप डिड में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं, ठीक है. सो व्हेन यू विल कन्वर्ट डिड, फॉर एग्जांपल आई डू एग्री, ठीक है. सो दिस इज प्रेजेंट फॉर्म, बट हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू पास्ट? Okay, I do not agree. If the statement is I do not agree, so let's discuss about the questions as well as the negative form. I do agree. Converted into negative one.
I do not agree.
And now converted
I
into.
do not.
Now
I
converted
did not
into
agree.
I did not.
I did
I
agree.
did not agree.
I did not.
I did not agree. So, Faika, no. Marwa, can you convert it into a question form?
Did I agree?
Did I agree? So आपने अपने जब statement होगी आपकी where did is required, ठीक है. For example आप इसमें ये तो नहीं, आप इसमें for example आपने do use किया, I do not agree, I did not agree, ठीक है. And so here where it is required you will use this one, and in the negative form you will use not, and when you will talk about the question form तो आप did को, ठीक है, बिल्कुल स्टार्ट में अपने क्वेश्चन के स्टार्ट में ले आएंगे, ठीक है. वेयर डिड इज रिक्वायर्ड. अब पता है क्या, एक और बात भी आपको बताऊं, आपका जो डिड है ये वॉज एंड वर है. डिड जो है ये रेफर करता है टुवर्ड्स दैट पर्टिकुलर एक्शन परफॉर्म्ड, whether it is performed by you or whether it is performed by any other human being or any other human beings in the form of groups, then you will use this do or did. ठीक है, do and did होता है जब आप खुद परफॉर्म करते हैं. I did not agree. ठीक है, this is something जो कि पास्ट फॉर्म भी है एंड ये एक एक्शन को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. ठीक है, जो कि एक्शन परफॉर्म किया गया था. बट कंसिडर द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल, आई वाज इल. ठीक है, अब डू यू थिंक दैट आप इसमें डिड ऐड कर सकते हैं?
No, ma'am.
No.
नो मैम.
No, ma'am.
अब ये आई वाज इल, दिस इज समथिंग दैट इज रेफरिंग नॉट टू योर पर्टिकुलर एक्शन. आप इल हुए थे, ये कोई आप खुद एक्शन परफॉर्म नहीं किया था. दिस इज समथिंग दैट इज नेचुरल. ठीक है, सो इन दिस वे डू एंड डिड आप यूज करते हैं जब आपने खुद कोई एक्शन परफॉर्म करना हो या आप किसी और ह्यूमन बीइंग के एक्शन की बात कर रहे हो, देन आप डू एंड डिड यूज करते हैं. Was and were is something different that tells you about something different way. So past is ज़ाहिर बात है, but we can also use was and were in the negative and the question form. I was ill, I was not ill. ठीक है, and was I ill. So in this way आप इसमें अपने was and were को use करते हैं, but where they are not required. For example, we went to Lahore. So this is what? This is this is in the past form and this is very simple sentence. ठीक है, this is also very simple sentence. We went to Lahore. Went is something that is describing you about the past tense. This is describing you about the past tense. ठीक है, and here you don't have you do not require do, and here you also don't require was and were. I was went तो नहीं होगा ना. I went is something very clear. I went to Lahore. Went is something that is in the second form and it's in the past form, and so this one is the past simple sentence. That is telling you about something that happened. ठीक है, so this is something about the past simple sentence. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा. Open the page number on the open your books. Hurry up. Those who have hard form वो पेज नंबर 19 खोलें एंड जिनके पास सॉफ्ट फॉर्म है वो देख लें. पास्ट सिंपल का आपका टॉपिक है. ठीक है, कंटेंट्स में चेक करो. हरी अप, और उसमें जो एक्सरसाइज पेज है वो खोलो. पास्ट सिंपल का टॉपिक सर्च करो, आपके 8th नंबर पे दिया होगा कंटेंट्स में. ठीक है, जो हार्ड फॉर्म
पेज बता दें.
पेज बच्चे मेरे पास हार्ड फॉर्म है बुक है तो उसका पेज नंबर 18 और 19 है. आप चेक करो. सॉफ्ट फॉर्म में
आवाज नहीं आ रही.
मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही है?
आ रही
है मैम.
ठीक है, सो पास्ट सिंपल में बच्चे अपना इंटरनेट कनेक्शन चेक करो. आपका जो पास्ट सिंपल बोलो
Short form में.
बराबर. सॉफ्ट फॉर्म में कौन सी है मेरे पास? पेज नंबर 26 18 19 आपकी हार्ड फॉर्म में है. ठीक है, जिनके पास हार्ड फॉर्म में है उसमें पेज नंबर 18 एंड 19 एंड दोज हु हैव इन द सॉफ्ट फॉर्म आप उसमें पेज नंबर 26 ओपन करो. सो हैव यू ओपन?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes,
साथ में
ma'am.
खोल ली.
जी मैम.
Okay. So so past simple is very simple. You can read all those contents from this theoretical description. बाद में इसको read out कर लेना. Comes towards this page on the exercise that is given over here. So the very first one is in the positive forms. What did Claire do on holiday last month? So look at this question. What did Claire do on last holiday? ठीक है. So here, so this is someone asking about Claire about his last month activity. ठीक है, so means to say this is past. And one more thing, all of you should need to know कि जब आप question and negative form में did use करते हैं, then आप उसमें past form of verb, ठीक है, सेकेंड फॉर्म और थर्ड फॉर्म आप यूज नहीं करते. आप उसमें फर्स्ट फॉर्म ही यूज करते हैं. ठीक है, जब आप क्वेश्चन और नेगेटिव में did यूज कर लेते हैं, क्योंकि did itself is referring to the past, ठीक है, तो आपका जो वर्ब होगा, नेक्स्ट वर्ब होगा, आप उसमें उसको फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज करेंगे, एज इट इज गिवन ओवर हियर, व्हाट डिड क्लेयर डू ऑन हॉलीडे लास्ट मंथ, ठीक है, डिड यूज हो गया, दैट इज रेफरिंग के पास्ट लास्ट मंथ में उसने क्या किया था, एंड लुक एट हर पिक्चर्स एंड यूज दीज वर्ड्स, सो ये क्लियर की कुछ पिक्चर्स हैं जो कि उसने लास्ट मंथ हॉलीडे पे गई थी, and she performed different activities there, and you are going to use these words: go out dancing, have a picnic, lie on the beach, play volleyball, swim in the sea. Convert them into past form. Hurry up and convert them. You have 2 to 3 minutes, and this is very easy to convert, and you can use just 1 minute to convert them. Bilal Hassan, Hanji, hurry up, you have 2 to 3 minutes. Have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. All of you have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so the very first one, the very first picture is what? Giving you what description? What kind of description? Hurry up. Tell me, everybody. The very first picture. You can, all of you can speak this time.
She swam in the sea. She swam
in the sea.
She swam in the sea.
She swam in the sea.
She swam.
Swim is something. Swim is the first form of the verb, and when you are going to convert it into the second form, as you will say, she swam in the sea. Okay? Okay, don't raise your, speak by unmuting yourself. I will pronounce the name and then you will speak. She swam in the sea, and this is giving you this description. Here you don't have was, were, or any did. Okay? It's simple because you have converted into a past form. So the second picture, in Amala.
Yes, ma'am.
Convert the second
She had
picture.
picnic.
He had a picnic, and the description given on the top of this, the top of this picture, have a picnic, and when you will convert it, have into had. Okay, she had a picnic, and had is also something that describes you about the past. She have a picnic. It's in the present form. Okay, it's in the present simple form, and when you will convert it into past, that will be she had a picnic. Asjad Mahmood. Asjad Mahmood. Asjad Mahmood, can you hear me? Okay, you are absent means to say. I'm marking your absent. Javeria Najib.
Yes, ma'am.
Hanji, what about the third picture?
Ma'am, she played volleyball.
She played volleyball, and here you have converted play into played by adding ed, that is in the regular verb. Okay. Hanji Hamza, Amir Hamza.
Yes, ma'am.
Convert the fourth picture into the past form. Go out dancing.
She went out dancing.
She went out dancing. Okay, so here आपने go को past second form में use किया. She went out dancing. Hurry up and complete the second exercise. Complete the newspaper story about a fire. So this is a newspaper story. That is something about the past. Put in the past simple forms of the verb. So here you are going to use past simple forms within this exercise. Hurry up and complete it. मोस्टली जो पास्ट जो हैपनिंग्स होती हैं वो पास्ट टेंस में ही नॉर्मली यूजुअली एंड सर्टेनली आप उसको यूज करते हैं. Have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
सबने कर लिया?
Yes, ma'am.
बाकी जी भी जब कर ले तो मुझे बताओ जल्दी।
Yes, ma'am. कर लिया मैम।
ठीक है, एक मिनट। ओके। The kids came over here at 5 Alice Street, Old Fort yesterday. They, what you are going to use here? They, hurry up and tell me, everybody.
वर
Exactly. They were, because further they is something जिसके साथ आप were use करेंगे. They were Herbert and Molly Painter, a couple in their 70s. The fire
Started, ma'am.
The fire started at 3:20 a.m. Our neighbor, Mr. Aziz, Mr. Aziz saw the flames and called the fire brigade. He also
राइट
He also tried to get into the house and rescue his neighbors, but the heat was too great. The fire brigade arrived in 5 minutes. 25 fighters found 25 fighters found the fire and finally brought it under control. 2 firefighters entered the burning building, but found the couple dead. Exactly. So this is something about the about this positive forms of the past forms. Okay. So the next third one is in the negative and the question form. Complete the conversation that is given over here. Put it in the simple negative as well as the question. So you are going to use simple negative and the question form. Hurry up and complete this one within 2 minutes. Hurry up. It's not so difficult. जब आप कंप्लीट कर लें तो अपना हैंड रेस करें सब जो कंप्लीट कर लें Let me wait for the others. फर्दर आप लोगों की क्लासेस जो हैं वो नेक्स्ट इस वीक के बाद नेक्स्ट 2 वीक्स रह गई है आई थिंक हाँ तो किसी भी दिन आपके स्टार्ट हो रहा है मैम क्या कह रहे हो
22nd से वाइवा स्टार्ट हो
22nd से वाइवा स्टार्ट हो रहा है ठीक हो गया
यस मैम
कोई मसला नहीं है वाइवा भी लेंगे क्लासेस भी पढ़ लेंगे कुछ करेंगे क्लासेस से पहले पढ़ लेंगे और एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस भी अरेंज कर लेंगे कोई इशू नहीं एंड इन्हीं दिनों में किसी भी वक्त में सेशनल भी मार्क कर सकते हैं आपके इन्हीं दिनों में आपके सेशनल भी मार्क होंगे और वो स्टूडेंट्स जिनकी कोई परफॉर्मेंस नहीं है और उनके नेम्स मेरे बिल्कुल सामने हैं वो खुद रिस्पॉन्सिबल है, फिर मैं रिस्पॉन्सिबल नहीं होंगी बाद में. Okay. Claire, did you have a nice weekend in the Paris? Mark, yes, thanks. It was good. We looked around and then we saw a show. What comes next?
We did not.
We did not try.
We did not try. We did not try. We did not try to do much. Claire, what sites
You saw.
did you see? Did you see? This is in the question form, na? So this is in the question form when you are going to convert it. So what sites did you see? Did आएगा and then आपका जो subject आएगा and then आपका verb आएगा and then the rest of the what sites did you see? ठीक है? आपको जैसे मैंने बताया है कि आपके negative and the question forms में आप did के साथ आप first forming that actually refers to you about the past. So Mark, we had a look around the lower. What comes next?
I did not know.
I did not know.
I did not know.
I did not know.
I did not know there was so much in there. Clear. And what show?
Did you go?
Did you go?
Did you go?
Did you go?
And what show did you go to, Mark? Oh, a musical. I forget the name.
I did not like.
I did not like it. I did not like it. Dear. Oh dear, and
Did
Sarah enjoy? Did Sarah enjoy? क्योंकि जब आप ये देख लो कि आपके एक्सरसाइज में जब क्वेश्चन दिया गया, it means to say आपने इसको क्वेश्चन फॉर्म में लिखना है. Mark, no, not really, but we enjoyed the weekend. Sarah did some shopping too, but
I did not want.
I did not
I did not want to do shopping. So this is something about the past simple. Is it clear to everybody regarding the past simple?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So comes to this next one. This is about the past continuous. So ये आपकी perception wrong है. बच्चे कहते हैं कि हम was और were तो सिर्फ हम continuous में use कर सकते हैं. You can use was and were within your present, within your simple form as well and within your continuous form. ठीक है? Is, am, are, was, were, whatever it is. So when you will talk about this continuous tense, so the continuous tense is also known as the progressive tense. So past progressive tense, or you can say the past continuous tense. So continuity is happening at this moment. So this continuity is so as we know that in the past, in the present continuous, we talk about the condition that is actually happening at the moment. So when you will talk about this past continuous, so it means to say that you will talk about the continuity that was happening or that was going on in the past. So in the past continuous tense, you will talk about the actions that were happening in the past, that was in the continuous state. I was taking the class. So this is what, for example, if you will say, I am taking class right now. This is in the present continuous form. I am taking the class right now. But after 1 hour, when somebody will ask you what you were doing at 2:30 or 2:54, whatever the time is, so then you will answer them that I was taking class at that moment. Okay? You can also say that I was in the class. You can also say that I was in the class. This is in the simple form. But you can also say that I was taking class. So means to say you can use past simple and past continuous. The meaning is same. Okay, where it is required, where the condition it is required. So you can use past continuous as well as the past simple. I was in the class. This is also correct, and this is also giving you the right message to the person to whom you are talking to. So further, I was in the class. I was taking class. I was in the class in the past simple. I was taking class. This is in the past continuous. So continuity is something that tells you express an ongoing action sometimes in the past. This is about the past continuous. Okay? So within this past continuous tense, you will use first form of verb. Comparatively, comparatively to the past simple, where you will use second form of verb, but within this past continuous tense you will use first form of verb. First of all will come your subject, then was, were, plus form, first form of verb, and then ing. I was taking class. So taking is what? Taking is giving you the meaning of take is first form of verb, then ing. I was eating, I was laughing, I was dancing. So these all things are word that are giving you the continuity that was happening in the past. Ji Jamila, do you want to say something? Jamila? बख्तावर
Yes, ma'am.
कुछ कहना है?
नहीं मैम, वो जब आपने एक्सरसाइज का पूछा था तब हैंड रेस किया था.
ठीक हो गया. So within this past continuous, that tells you about the action that was going on in the past, that was in the continuous form. ठीक है? I am taking class and you are going to convert is am are into the past form. I was taking the class, so this is the past continuous form. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, comes towards this this book on the page number. Let me open it. Where it is? Okay, the past continuous. So the past continuous is given over here, and खोल ली सबने next page पे in the hard form on the page.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, और जो
Yes, ma'am.
जिनके पास में है वो नेक्स्ट टू एक पेज टर्न करेंगे. ठीक है, जो एक्सरसाइज अभी हमने कंप्लीट किया, नेक्स्ट पेज टर्न करो तो आपके पास पास्ट कंटिन्यूस है. So the definition is also given over here. The past continuous means at a time in the past we were in the middle of an action. So middle of the action, you were in the middle of that action. This time I am taking class, I was taking class. So you were in the middle of that action. So here also the description or you can say the conversation between two ladies. We can see two ladies having the cup of tea in their hand, in her hand, and one okay. So the one of them is speaking. Who is going to read out this one? Who is going to read the conversation between both of them? जी मरवा.
मैम ये फर्स्ट वाला ना.
हाँ जी, वो जो conversation है दो ladies में.
Today is the 1st of January, the start of New Year. Most people are feeling a bit tired. What were they doing at midnight last night? आगे यूज करने verbs और phrases.
ओके, आप इसमें इधर आ गई हो एक्सरसाइज के ऊपर. मैं आपको ये कन्वर्सेशन का कह रही थी जो ये जो थ्योरेटिकल पेज पे दी गई है.
Sorry,
मैं पढ़ूं? मैं पढ़ूं?
हाँ पढ़ो नुमान. हाँ जी पढ़ो नुमान, पढ़ लो.
I had a wonderful dream last night. I was sitting in a park. The sun was shining and the birds were singing. Children were playing and laughing. It was very peaceful. I didn't want to wake up.
So this is what this is, a dream about one lady, and she is talking about her lady. What was the dream? And I was sitting, was shining, was singing, were playing, laughing. So these all things are showing you the continuity that was happening in the past. And was and were, you know very well, आप कब use करते हैं with the singular I, he, she, it, and were आप यूज करते हैं you, were, they, and नेगेटिव में आप was के साथ not ऐड कर देते हैं. विद द क्वेश्चन फॉर्म आप was स्टार्ट में ले जाते हैं या were स्टार्ट में ले जाते हैं, देन आप अपना सब्जेक्ट लगाते हैं. जैसे I, he, she, it, these are the subject. You, were, they, these are the subject, and then the rest of the sentence. ठीक है. And further comes to what this exercise जो कि मरवा ने अभी read out की है. Today is the 1st of January, the start of the new year. So today is the first. So this is about the present state. Most people are feeling a bit tired. क्योंकि वो कुछ ना कुछ एक्टिविटी करते रहे होंगे. कुछ अंग्रेजों की तो वैसे भी हरकतें हैं कि उन्होंने जब उनका न्यू ईयर स्टार्ट होता है तो उन्होंने बहुत ज्यादा एंजॉय करना होता है. ठीक है, 2020 भी बहुत एंजॉय किया होगा उन्होंने जब न्यू ईयर आया होगा. Most people are feeling a bit tired. What were they doing at midnight last night? 12 बजे क्या कर रहे थे? What were they doing at midnight last night? So it means to say you're going to talk about the past. So while staying in the present, you are going to talk about the past. Use these verbs: dance, drive, listen, watch, write. And you are also going to use these phrases after the verb. An essay, his taxi in the street, television to a band. Hurry up and complete these 4 sentences. When you will complete it, raise your hand. Hurry up and complete it. We are running out of the time and we have to discuss something more. Okay, so the very first one is Trevor and Laura
Were watching television.
We're watching television.
So Trevor and Laura were watching television. So this is in the continuous form about the past that was happening in the past. Vicky and Raquel
Were dancing in the
were dancing in the street. हालांकि street ये कहीं से भी नहीं लग रही है, इससे पता नहीं क्या लग रहा है. Okay, so Vicky and Raquel were dancing in the street. Tom
Was driving
Driving his taxi.
Tom was driving his taxi. Andrew
Was writing an essay. Writing an essay.
Okay. Comes towards the next one. Complete the conversation. Put in the past continuous forms. जिन्होंने हैंड रेस किए हैं इनको लो कर लो ताकि बाद में जब आपने हैंड रेस करने.
मैम इसकी समझ नहीं आ रही, क्या करना है इसका?
Complete the conversation and put in the past continuous forms like Jessica, I was looking for you. अब देखो इसमें ब्रैकेट में उन्होंने आपको दिए हुए हैं I and look. आपने इसको past में कन्वर्ट किया तो I आपने इसमें was अब जब past में कन्वर्ट कर रही होगी तो was या were यूज करना है. ठीक है, I was looking for you. Vicky,
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So most of you have completed.
मैम
I can.
मैम
जी.
इन्होंने आई के साथ वाज लगाया हुआ है.
I के साथ was नहीं आएगा.
मैम वर्ड नहीं आता.
आपका जो I है वो सिंगुलर नहीं है.
मैम इसका वर्ड नहीं यूज होता, ये प्लूरल नहीं यूज होता. आई
बच्चे
नो
was
सॉरी मैम, थोड़ी कंफ्यूजन बनी. यू के साथ मेरी कंफ्यूजन. ओके.
Okay, so most of you have completed. I was looking for you, Vicky. I'm afraid I have broken the dish, Vicky. Oh no, what? So this is the question form. What were you doing?
What
What were you doing? Jessica, I
was
taking it into the kitchen. I was taking into the kitchen. ठीक है. I bumped into Ima.
She was
coming out just as I was going in. Vicky, I expect it was your fault.
You were not looking.
You were not looking where
You were going.
where you were going. Jessica, sorry, I will buy you an as soon as I have some money. ठीक है, लेकिन हमारे यहाँ क्या होता है, हमें तो मदर्स कहती हैं कि टूटे हुए हाथ हैं, प्लेटें तोड़ दी हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? तो
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक हो गया. So that comes towards the okay. तो जो थर्ड एक्सरसाइज है ये आप लोग घर में कंप्लीट करोगे, एज एन असाइनमेंट मुझे फॉरवर्ड करोगे. Now comes towards the next So the next form, that is about the past perfect. ठीक है, so as we have discussed within the present perfect, so present perfect tells you about something, the action that has recently completed. So the past perfect is something, so perfect is something that refers to the completed action. ठीक है, so the perfect जो भी आपका tense होगा वो आपको refer करेगा आप किसी completed action की बात कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, क्योंकि वो प्रेजेंट था तो प्रेजेंट मीन्स टू से रिसेंटली एंड हुआ था. सो पास्ट परफेक्ट इज समथिंग दैट यू विल टॉक अबाउट योर completed action. You will talk about your completed action, and within your completed action you will discuss the action that takes place before another action. Within this past perfect you will talk about the action that started in the past, the action that was started in the past as well as also ended in the past. ठीक है, ऐसा एक्शन जो कि आपका पास्ट में स्टार्ट हुआ था और पास्ट में ही एंड हुआ था. ठीक है, so in this past perfect tense you will talk about this one. So when we look at the definition, the proper definition of this past perfect, so past perfect tense is a tense that we can use to describe an event that happened in the past before another event was completed in the past. ठीक है, so the past perfect tense is a tense that we use to describe an event that happened in the past. अगर आपकी definition यहाँ तक end हो गई है ना कि that happened in the past, or means to say how you are going to convert it into past perfect. Past perfect क्यों हम कहते हैं? Because आपका ये जो past आपका जो action है that happened in the past, that action happened before another event that was completed in the past. ठीक है, एक ऐसा एक्शन ठीक है जो कि आपका कंप्लीट हुआ था बिफोर अनदर एक्शन. लेट मी गिव यू वन एग्जांपल. वी हैड रीच्ड देयर हाउस. लेट्स कंसीडर दिस एग्जांपल. वी हैड रीच्ड देयर हाउस आफ्टर द डिनर वाज कंप्लीटेड. वी हैड रीच्ड देयर हाउस. अब एज आई टोल्ड यू विद इन द प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट क्या आप हैज यूज करते हैं. ठीक है, हैज या हैव यूज करते हैं. व्हाट हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू कन्वर्ट हैज एंड हैव इनटू पास्ट?
By using had.
यूज किया हमने. ठीक हो गया, हमने हैड यूज किया. फर्दर आप इसमें थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज करेंगे. ठीक है, जैसे हमने प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज की थी विद हैज एंड हैव, बट विद दिस पास्ट परफेक्ट you will use had plus the third form of verb. So the past perfect is something when you will talk about the action that was completed before another action. ठीक है, तो किसी एक्शन से पहले, किसी एक एक्शन कंप्लीटेड एक्शन से पहले कोई कंप्लीट एक्शन आपने कंप्लीट किया था. ठीक है, we had reached their house after the dinner was completed. ठीक है, सो इन द सेकंड जो आपकी स्टेटमेंट है यहाँ पे आफ्टर द डिनर वाज कंप्लीटेड. ठीक है, we had reached their house. So this is giving you the description regarding the past perfect tense. So this past perfect tense can be made by using had, ठीक है, as well as the third form of verb. And now comes towards this next page number. I think this is given over here in the page number 40. I think no, this is on the page number 26. Given in the hard form, and I think 40 page number है soft form में.
मैम कौन सा पेज नंबर है हार्ड फॉर्म में?
26. No, 26. Sorry, 26 is.
मैम ये तो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट है. पेज नंबर 42 पे. मैम पेज नंबर 42 पे है.
हाँ, एक मिनट में मिस्टेक हो गई मुझे. तो पेज नंबर 40 पे. Yeah, this is given on the page number 42. ठीक है, so on the page सबको मिल गया?
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
So on the page 42 and in the soft form भी आप लोग देख लो कहाँ पे है. So given over here the description regarding by using the past, और उसके बाद कुछ examples दी गई हैं past perfect की. It was 20 to 6. Most of the shops had just closed. Now consider this example. It was 20 to 6. ठीक है, this is given the and actual time. ठीक है, most of the shops had just closed. You had and the third form of the verb closed, ठीक है, by adding ed. I went to the box office at lunchtime, but they had already sold all the tickets. By 1960, most of Britain's old colonies had become independent. So in this way you will use your past perfect tense, ठीक है, and past perfect tense में आप had use करते हैं past participle, और आपको इधर मैंने present perfect और past perfect का difference भी, and you know very well what is the difference between past perfect and the present perfect. has and have को आप had में convert कर देंगे and third form use करेंगे. Hurry up and comes to words. Then on the next page they give an exercise. Okay, the past perfect. Read about each situation and then take the right answer. अब जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया कि past perfect की जो definition है, you will talk about the action that was completed in the past before another action. ठीक है? So before another action. Now consider this exercise. Read about each situation and take the right answer. आपने इसमें वो आंसर करना है what comes first. पहला एक्शन कौन सा परफॉर्म हुआ था, ठीक है, बिफोर अनदर एक्शन डेफिनेशन में आया ना, तो जो पहला एक्शन परफॉर्म हो रहा है एक एक्शन कंप्लीटेड एक्शन से पहले, तो व्हाट कम्स नेक्स्ट फर्स्ट उसको आपने टिक करना है. हरी अप एंड कंप्लीट इट एंड देन रेज योर हैंड्स. I'm waiting for the others. Abdul Rahman, Ayman Nazak, Yasmin, Ariba Akhtar, Aruj, Bilal Hassan, Inamullah, Ikra Ramzan, Iza Ashraf, Aruj, Ikra Ramzan, Jamila Zafar, Mohammad Shoaib, Matiya Shahid, Mohammad Bilal, Muqaddas Shaheen, Muzammil Khan, Nurul Huda, Sana Asghar, Shazmina Nisar, Sibqa Zahid. हाँ जी, इकरा रमजान, जमीला जफर, मोहम्मद शुएब, मतिया शाहिद, सना असगर, शाजमीना निसार, सिद्का जाहिद. हाँ जी जमीला. जमीला जफर, मोहम्मद शुएब, नूरुल हुदा, सना असगर, शाजमीना निसार. Okay, so come over for this exercise. Two men delivered the sofa. I had already paid for it. What came first?
The payment.
Exactly.
Payment, ma'am.
Two men delivered the sofa. I had already paid for it. तो उसने ऑनलाइन बोरो किया होगा या वैसे बोरो किया होगा जिसमें उसने ऑलरेडी पेमेंट दे दी होगी, ठीक है, ऑलरेडी पे कर दिया होगा, ठीक है, तो बाद में उसको डिलीवर हो गया. टू मैन डिलीवर द सोफा, आई हैड ऑलरेडी पेड फॉर इट. ठीक है, जैसे आप कभी ऑनलाइन कुछ बोरो करें तो आप उसमें एक दो ऑप्शन होती है ना, कैश ऑन डिलीवरी या फिर पेमेंट आप कार्ड के थ्रू करते हैं, तो ऑलरेडी पेड फॉर इट. The waiter brought our drinks. We would already had our soup.
The soup.
I'd seen the film, so I read the book. Did I first?
See the film.
The program had ended. The program had ended, so I rewound the cassette.
Before the program ended.
Did I rewind the cassette before and or after? The program
Ma'am,
had
after-
ended
After.
After,
the
ma'am.
program had ended. Rewound आप तभी करते हैं ना कि जब आपने देख लिया और फिर आप उसको रिवाइंड कर रहे होते हैं, ठीक है? I had an invitation to the party. I had an invitation to the party, but I had arranged a trip to London.
I
Which
had
came
arranged
first?
to-
Arrangement for the trip.
Exactly. So comes towards the next one. Add a
Arrangement for the
sentence.
trip, ma'am.
Okay, comes towards the next exercise. Add a sentence with the past perfect using the notes. Add a sentence with the past perfect using the notes. Claire looked very centaured when I saw her last week. We rushed. She had just been on holiday. We rushed to the situation, but we were too late. So you are going to make a statement in the past perfect. By using these words, the train just go.
The train had just gone.
The train had
train
just
Had just gone. I did not have an umbrella, but that didn't matter.
The rain had stopped. The rain had stopped.
Exactly. When I got to the concert hall, they would not let me in.
I had forgotten my ticket.
I had forgotten my ticket. Somebody got the number of the car the raiders used.
They had stolen.
it a week before.
They had stolen it a week before. I was really pleased to see Raquel again yesterday.
I had not seen.
I had not seen her for ages.
I had not seen her for ages. Luckily, the flat did not look too bad, but my parents called in.
He had just cleaned it. I
had just cleaned it. Okay. The boss invited me to lunch yesterday, but I had to refuse the invitation.
I had already
eaten my sandwich.
I had already eaten my sandwich. कभी ऐसी हरकत की है कि मेहमान आए हुए हों और मेहमान जब चले जाएं तो फौरन टेबल के ऊपर बुला किया हो?
Yes, ma'am.
जी मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
सब करते हैं ऐसी हरकतें, है ना? बहुत मजा आता है.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Comes towards the next past perfect continuous. Okay. Mute yourself, Amir Hamza. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So the past perfect continuous. Previously, we talked about the present perfect continuous, and present perfect continuous means to say we were talking about the present and as well as the perfect as well as the continuous form. So the past perfect continuous tells you about the action that was started in the past. यास्मीन, अक्सा यास्मीन, अपने आप को. Okay, so past perfect and present perfect continuous that tells you about the action that was started in the past but it is still continued. ठीक है? I have been taking class. I have been taking class. So make the statement. I have been taking class completed. Complete this statement. I have been taking class
Since morning.
आपकी क्लास में मॉर्निंग से लेते जा रही हूँ.
For 2 o'clock.
Since 2 o'clock. For आएगा सेंस आएगा. For आएगा सेंस आएगा.
Since आएगा.
क्योंकि हमें स्पेसिफिक टाइम का पता है. I have been taking class since 2 p.m. ठीक है. So ये था जो कि present action था, जो कि past में शुरू हुआ था and it is still continued. So when you will talk about this past perfect continuous tense, you can also call this past perfect continuous tense as a past perfect progressive tense. ठीक है, क्योंकि continuous को आप progressive भी describe कर सकते हो. So this tense depicts you an action. ठीक है, ये ऐसा action depict करता है. जी
मैम दोबारा ज्वाइन.
Talking about this past perfect continuous tense before this introduction. So past perfect tense continuous tense, अब जैसे कि हमने उसमें देखा था प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में हम हैज एंड हैव यूज करते हैं, तो हम इधर हैड यूज करेंगे क्योंकि पास्ट है, ठीक है, उसकी पास्ट फॉर्म में हैड बीन प्लस ing, ठीक है, आपका वर्ब आएगा और उसके फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब आएगी एंड देन ing एज दिस वाज इन द प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस। तो ठीक है, आपने जब इसको पास्ट में कन्वर्ट कर दिया तो कंडीशन क्या है when we are going to use this past perfect continuous tense? This tense depicts an action that started in the past continuous form until another time in the past. Okay, so as we are going to use this past perfect continuous tense, that something that was happening in the past before another action. ठीक है, अब एक मिनट इसकी अगर हम डेफिनेशन को प्रॉपर वे में देखें तो हम इसको ये कह सकते हैं कि एक्शन लास्टेड फॉर सम टाइम इन द पास्ट बिफोर अनदर एक्शन। ठीक है, एक्शन, okay, write down this definition on your page first of all. Action lasted for some time. Action lasted for some time before another action. Before and other action. लिख लिया सबने?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ठीक हो गया। अब इसकी एक एग्जाम्पल भी लिखो। I had been working. I had been working at the company. I had been working at the company for 5 years. For 5 years. लिख लिया?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
When I got the promotion. When I got the promotion. I had been working at the company for 5 years when I got the promotion. So this is an example, and consider the statement. That is action lasted for some time. ठीक है, before another action. So can you identify in this example that refers to before an action? ऐसा कौन सा एक्शन है जो कि पहले परफॉर्म हुआ है?
I got the promotion.
Promotion.
Exactly. I had been working.
I got the promotion.
I had been working at the company for 5 years when I got the promotion. So when I got the promotion is giving you this is actually amplifying on the and other before another action. When I got the promotion, this is before another action, and what actually happened before that action, and that action lasted for some time. What is
I
that
had
one?
been working. I had been working at the company for 5
Working
years.
alone.
I had been working at the company for 5 years. So, within this present perfect continuous tense, you will talk about the action that lasted for some time in the past. Lasted for some time because this is in the continuous form, na? So that lasted for some time. That was going on for some time in the past before another action. ठीक है, so let's consider another very simple example. The cat had been drinking milk out of the carton. The cat had been drinking milk out of the carton when a girl walked into the kitchen. When a girl walked into the kitchen.
Let me repeat कर दे.
The cat had been drinking milk out of the carton when a girl walked into the kitchen. लिख ली सबने?
जी मैम.
And now you are going to explain this example according to the definition. Who is going to explain this one? Action lasted for some time before another action. जी अमीर हमजा.
जी मैम.
Explain this example.
इसमें मैम फर्स्ट एक्शन परफॉर्म हुआ जो व्हेन द गर्ल वो किचन की साइड पे जा रही मैम, वो वाला।
Walked into the kitchen.
जी मैम, फर्स्ट एक्शन ये है अकॉर्डिंग टू डेफिनेशन,
हाँ.
और सेकंड कैट वाला है।
The cat had been drinking milk out of the carton when a girl walked
Yes,
into
ma'am.
the kitchen. So before another action, ठीक है, before another action, उस action से when a girl, उस action से पहले जो continuous action हो रहा था, ठीक है, उस action से पहले एक continuous action जो हो रहा था वो ये था कि cat had been drinking milk out of the carton and when the girl walked into the kitchen, ठीक है. So in this way, समझ आई किसी, समझ आई है?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. उनमें difference समझ नहीं आ रहा तो
इसमें
Repeat
डिफरेंस बताती हूँ. किस में समझ नहीं आ रहा? प्रेजेंट पास्ट परफेक्ट में और
past
पास्ट परफेक्ट.
perfect में और continuous में.
ठीक है. अब पास्ट जो परफेक्ट है ना आपका, पास्ट परफेक्ट रेफर करता है एक कंप्लीटेड एक्शन को. ठीक है. पास्ट परफेक्ट रेफर करता है एक कंप्लीटेड एक्शन को. ठीक है. एक एक्शन जो कि कंप्लीट हो चुका है. सो पास्ट परफेक्ट एक्शन टुक प्लेस in the past perfect. Your action took place before another action. Your action was completed before another action. किसी और एक्शन से पहले आपका एक्शन जो था वो completed था. ठीक है. जैसे कि मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दी थी, we had reached their house before the dinner was completed. We had reached their house before after the dinner was completed. अब ये we had reached their house. Do you think that this statement is in the continuous form or this is the completed action?
Ma'am, completed action. Completed action.
ये एक completed action है. ठीक है. तो अब जब इसको continuous में आप डिस्कस कर रही होंगी, अब देखो present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous आपको रेफर करता है कि action that was going on in the past before another action. ठीक है. अब ये जो कंटिन्यूस एक्शन है ये कंप्लीटेड एक्शन नहीं है. दैट वाज गोइंग ऑन इन द पास्ट. समझ आई?
जी मैम.
अब ये जब इसको पास्ट कंटिन्यूस में करोगी, वी हैड बीन रीचिंग देयर हाउस. ठीक है. वी हैड बीन रीचिंग देयर हाउस. अब इन दोनों स्टेटमेंट में डिफरेंस देखो. वी हैड रीच्ड देयर हाउस, एक्शन कंप्लीटेड है. ठीक है. आफ्टर द डिनर वाज कंप्लीटेड. ठीक है. और जब आप इसको प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस में कर रही हो, वी हैड बीन रीचिंग देयर हाउस. अब ये एक कंटिन्यूस एक्शन शो कर रहा है कि मीन्स टू से यू आर इन द मिडल ऑफ दैट एक्शन आफ्टर द डिनर वाज कंप्लीटेड.
ओके मैम.
दिस एक्शन बिफोर अनदर एक्शन आपका एक एक्शन कंटिन्यूस फॉर्म में था. आफ्टर द डिनर वाज कंप्लीटेड. ठीक है. तो डिनर तो ये एक बिफोर एक्शन है और उससे पहले आपका जो एक्शन है वो एक कंटिन्यूस फॉर्म में है. ठीक है. लेकिन जब पास्ट परफेक्ट होगा तो उसमें आपका एक दोनों एक्शन कंप्लीटेड होंगे, बिफोर एक्शन भी और आफ्टर एक्शन भी. ठीक है.
जी मैम.
जी मैम.
Okay. So this was about the past perfect. This was about the past tense, past simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. आपका जो past simple होगा आप उसमें second form of verb use करते हैं. आप अपने continuous में first use करते हैं. आप perfect में third use करते हैं. And again आपकी जब बात आ जाती है past perfect continuous की, उसमें भी आप अपनी first form use करते हैं. So this was about the past tense. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Yes ma'am. आगे आपके हार्ड बुक में, हार्ड फॉर्म की बुक में पेज नंबर 46 पे इसकी डिस्क्रिप्शन भी दी गई है. एंड फर्दर आगे जो एक्सरसाइज दी गई है ऑन द पेज नंबर 47, ये आपने एज एन असाइनमेंट कंप्लीट करनी है. और उसके साथ साथ आपने एक पैराग्राफ लिखना है इन द पास्ट टेंस. यू विल यूज tense in a paragraph. You are not going to use present or future. You are not going to merge them, but you will use past tense in a paragraph and then you will submit it to me. And further GR, अक्सा किधर है? अक्सा, CR किधर है?
मैम
मैं वो भी क्लास
मैम असाइनमेंट टाइटल से पहले सबमिट करवानी है.
जी दोबारा बोलो.
मैं पूछ रहा हूँ कि ये जो असाइनमेंट बनानी है और आपको सेंड करनी है, ये भी फ्राइडे नेक्स्ट क्लास से पहले सेंड करनी है आपको, फ्राइडे वाली क्लास से पहले
करनी है। एंड वन मोर थिंग, मुझे आप लोगों की एक एक्स्ट्रा क्लास अरेंज करनी है, कल मैं अरेंज करूंगी, जो कि आप मुझे टाइम बताएंगे, क्लास जो है वो आपस में डिस्कस करेंगे और मुझे एक टाइम बता दो, और मैंने कल आप लोगों की एक्स्ट्रा क्लास
9 बजे मैम।
मैम सैटरडे को रख लें।
मैम सुबह 9 बजे रख लें, सैटरडे को रख लें।
ठीक है, एक आप लोगों का
मैम सैटरडे को रख लें।
डेट और टाइम जो है वो मुझे बता दो, ठीक है, और then I will manage according to that. Okay, see you all in the next class. खुदा हाफिज।
अल्लाह हाफिज मैम।